Well, we've got two of the rarest ever INEOS Quartermaster and a Fieldmaster pickup trucks. This one's a diesel, 3 litre BMW powered, so completely reliable, a serious piece of off-road kit, and it's been styled with the eyeglass front grille and headlamp surrounds. We've eyeglossed the wheels, it's got BFGoodrich tired side steps, so it looks amazing. At $49,950, bear in mind only 2 for sale on Auto Trader. This is the cheapest one, and it's in pristine condition for a commercial vehicle. So it has got quite a lot of factory upgrades. It's got the heat reflective privacy glass, heated front seats, Nappa leather and the Recaro seats, the comfort pack, the driver storage box, compass with altimeter. It's got the premium sound system, heavy duty flooring, factory smooth pack, central diff lock upgrade, park assist and the rear cameras. So you've got the BMW performance, and it's here at SEEKER UK, so come and see it. Give us a call.